Today I'm going to show you how to post a job as a company on Indeed. So what we want to do here is first and foremost go up to the employer's post job tab, click on this. You will now be taken to this page, and if you already have a company page or a company account on Indeed, we have a video. You can go and check it out on our channel. You can go and now just click on go to dashboard, or you can click on post a job. This is your dashboard. This is where you will be able to see all of your jobs being posted, their status, their location, and then on the left hand side you can see your candidates, interviews, your analytics. There's some additional tools. There's a lot of stuff that you can do here. Okay, so to post a job, simply click on post a job on the top right, top left, or the center of the page if you don't already have a job posted. And here we are going to add in some job details. So we want a job title. So we want the, let's say, video editor and graphical designer. Let's say that this is either fully remote, hybrid, or on the road. So we're going to say it's remote. And if we want employees to reside in a specific location, you can say yes or no. But if it's yes, you need to add in that location. Okay, I'm just going to say no for now. And within the next page, we will now see hiring goals. So this is a timeline for your job. Okay, so drop this down. Here, you can choose how long you plan on taking to make a hire. So let's just say 1 to 2 weeks, and the number of people to hire within the next 30 days, let's just say 1 for now because it's one single job post. Here we're going to add some additional job details. So what we need to know here is the job type. Is it a full-time position, part-time position? Is it a permanent position? These are all very different. Make sure you've done the research so that you know what they all mean. I'm going to just go ahead and say full-time for now. Click on continue. And here we're going to add the pay and benefits. So here we are going to show by pay range. So we're going to either be by range, starting amount, maximum amount, or exact amount. You can go ahead and we can say an amount here. We can either say per hour, per day, per week, per month. And then you can click on continue. You can now add in a job description. So let's add one in here. Please write a job description that is slightly more detailed than this. Go ahead and click on continue. And here you will see you can now review all of this information. Okay, so go ahead, click on continue. You can see this, preview it, preview it, preview it, preview it. Click on continue, and here you will see your job. There's all of your settings. So here we can change pretty much everything about this job. But what we need to do is change our application method. So if you click on this, you can add in the email address that it's going to be sent to. You can let potential candidates contact you about this job by email. A resume you can have required or not. You can also see application updates, candidates contact you, hiring timeline, all the account details. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead, click on confirm, and this job will now be active and live. This will allow applicants to see this job and will allow people to apply to this job.